Hi, good evening po. Subscribe po sa akin channel. Maraming salamat po. Maybe you don't know me any once and I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walk away. I've been watching you all evening when the teardrops in your eyes, and it's touching me much more than I can see. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was here, I'll be right by your side. Lay your trouble on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, raise your love on me a while. Lay your trouble on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, raise your love for me a while. So you in the corner on the moment I walk in, so your lonely face across the room. No one wants forgotten, and the way it might happen. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and it's time like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your trouble on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, raise your love on me a while. Lay your trouble on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, raise your love on me a while. How long must I wait for a last dream to be here, and the last chance to know? Get to think that I was born too soon. How long, honey, when the love is broken? I was there when you left me, just then you know to begin. Lay your trouble on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, raise your love for me a while. Lay your trouble on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, raise your love on me a while.